So chapter 4, which is for conclusion, it can create a conclusion page. So here you can type your conclusion. So the entire conclusion which will be displayed here. The entire conclusion page which will be displayed like this. Then at last, there is a references. So there is a page for reference. You can type each and every reference here. So bib item, the unique ID of reference, then the author name, then journal name, then title, then edition, then volume, then issue. You can type each and everything. Wherever needed, you can cite. For example, here I can cite something called as, here pop-up was displayed, case of 2023. I can execute. This is for reference 4, which will be cited here. This is for reference 4, which will be cited here. So each and everything which will be cited in a proper way. Whatever needed, which can cite it in the proper way. So this is for LaTex program. I will repeat the same again. So initially you can open just a Google Chrome. Open a Google Chrome, then type google.com. Open a Google Chrome and type google.com. In the Google search, you will type Kesavaraja and press enter and click on that website page. And there is a menu which will be called as e-training. Under that, there is a sub-menu which will be called as LaTex for research. You can click on that sub-menu. Then the LaTex for research page which will be open. Here, the complete video tutorial which will be available in that link. You can click on that link first. It will open the YouTube channel. Here, this is my YouTube channel. If you are interested, you can subscribe. Then the entire video channel and playlist was available. So entire material for research, then full stack development and data science, everything was available. Whatever needed, you can download the video, or otherwise you can watch the video. Each and every video which connected with the JIT code too. So you can use the JIT code too. Then the second thing in that website, which is for manual. So you can click that manual. Click that manual page, which will open that entire manual for your college. The manual is available, which having all this experiment with their output. So you can try it during free time. After that, there is a template for your college. You can click here to download the template. This is an entire template which specially designed for your college. So it's for your project report. So it's comprising of all the required files. So you can download the template and go to downloads folder and then extract the files and then open that folder, which comprising of all the files which created for your document. Then just open this report.tex file. Just open the report.tex file, which will give whatever file supported, which will be merged here. So you can execute the file, the output which will be created in a separate PDF file. This is the final output of your report. You can take a printout and then submit to your project. So this is a complete report based on your college format. It's a complete report which was created. This is a final output of this 3 days session. So you can practice this workshop, because at the initial pages, which will be Roman letter, here after introduction, which will be in something called as Arabic letters 1, 2, 3. Then chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3 with tables, figures, and multiple figures, and conclusion page and reference page with all the citation. So this is what you can create your project report. So entire template was in a ready-made template was available. You can utilize that opportunity and use that ready-made template, then create your project report. So in this example, use graphics. This is a package which supported for this graphics package supported for include the images inside your document. So fancy header gives some fancy layout. Page numbering Roman, which create Roman number. Page numbering Arabic, which create Arabic numbering. So this is what the entire project report creation methodology. So you can try it during your free time. then you can achieve a lot. Try it during your free time, then you can achieve a lot. So I hope I have covered whatever needed for you. The basic intro of LaTeX. LaTeX is a typesetting system, then which can have variety of mathematical notation as well as section, itemized bibliography, then equation, etc., etc. Whatever tags needed for your project report preparation, that was covered in these 3 days. At last, I have shared you a template for your project report. So this is what the content which needed for your project report preparation. Now it's a time for your queries. So dear students, if you have any queries, please unmute and speak. Otherwise, use chat box too. Hereafter, it's your duty to try this template and develop your own project report. Then only it's possible for achieve a lot. Work as a project team, then develop a project report. Then it's fine. Then any questions from student side? Is it clear or not? Do you understand the concept? Any reply from student side? Please unmute. Any questions? So the entire material, entire template, and entire presentation and recorded video, everything which will be uploaded. So whenever needed, you can watch the video and try that experiment. If you have any queries, no problem for mine. You can anytime, you can WhatsApp your query or any errors placed in the something LaTeX, you can share the same. In addition to that, the chat GPT, I hope everyone very familiar about chat GPT. So you can type chat GPT, something quadratic equation for LaTeX program. Then in a fraction of a second, which create a LaTeX program for quadratic equation. LaTeX program for resume preparation. It create a template for LaTeX for resume. So entire thing which provided by LaTeX. In addition to that, there is an excellent software which will be called as Overleaf. Excellent software which will be called as Overleaf. Overleaf is an excellent IDE which used to provide online LaTeX editor. There is no need to install TextLive or MikTeX or Text Studio. Directly you can type your program in the online itself. So you can use that software Overleaf. So I can this Overleaf which having variety of Overleaf is an excellent online LaTeX editor. So you can just log in with your Gmail ID. Then it will be create an excellent LaTeX template. It's having variety of templates for report, then academic journal, bibliography, book, calendar, resume, formal letter, homework, project report, thesis, and numerous number of stylish report format which are available in this also. I am creating template for your college, but here there are n number of templates are available. Whatever needed for your research, you can use this Overleaf software too. These are the things which I want to share with you. So with this, I hand over a session to host. Madam, please. Anything else from student side? I have shared this template file to your madam too. I will share the template file to your madam. So whenever needed, you can copy paste this template also. Then use it for your. Any questions? Any questions from student side? So hereafter, it's in your hand because your madam, your head of the department, Jenny ma'am, they are putting a lot of efforts for arranging this session to you. So it's everything in your hand. So you can practice, you can download the template. I have given a spoon-feeded template for you. It's completely, the madam gave a report format. Based on that format, the complete LaTeX template was prepared. So it's your duty to copy paste your abstract and all those content. Automatically, the LaTeX PDF file, report PDF file, which will be generated. So it's very easy for you. So kind request to you all to prepare your project report in LaTeX. If you have any queries, you can anytime you can ping. So I will be helping. So very sincere thanks to Jenny ma'am for providing one more opportunity to meet a young community. So sincere thanks to ma'am. Hand over to host. Please, ma'am.
Sir, The 3-day session, as far our observation is concerned, our students are utilizing it properly. So we are very thankful to you on behalf of both AML as well data science. Madam is also with me, sir. So really, we have taken the feedback from the students and they are feeling that it is very easy to prepare it and they need some timing. That also we have given it. And moreover, according to our need, you are explaining it. That is very happy for us, sir. Thank you so much. And further, we need your correspondence with us. So it is our humble request. So whenever we need, you please help us, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And
Thank you.
Madam wants to speak one word, sir.
Please, please.
Thank you very much, sir. Definitely,
thank you.
Definitely our students will get benefit out of this, sir. Whatever you have taught for these 3 days, definitely it will be helpful for them for preparation of their project documentation and article writing. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Please.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thanks. Thank you, students. Thank you all.